Hello, I'm Aviv Ovadya. I work at the intersection of AI, platforms, information systems, and governance. Today I'm going to give a very quick overview of a kind of deliberation technology. So specifically, I want to illustrate the potential and practice of generative collective intelligence. By that I mean group decision-making processes where the outputs are not multiple choice, participants create them. So think governance, think governance, think GPT-3, except made of humans. So why does this matter? Well, at every level of society, we have so many generative questions, from improving our local communities, resolving geopolitical conflicts, and just how do we want to live with powerful AI systems? But this is very hard. Deliberation doesn't scale, people feel voiceless, their insights are missed, and the attention economy drives us all toward destructive division. So what do we do? Well, one approach is to try for a simple democratic ideal. For a question or prompt, everyone responds, everyone is listened to, and that which best represents the group is chosen. This isn't just abstract. Many of us are working to build or support such systems. One highlight is Polis, created by Colin McGill, who will be here around noon. Its definition of best is particularly interesting. It involves identifying common ground. And it's not just theory and code. We have real adoption of Polis. UK, Taiwan, around the world, we're using it here. And the UN has used a related system to help overcome tensions in war-torn Libya. So what's the essence of these generative CI systems? We can go back to that democratic ideal. Given a group and a prompt, we gather responses, collectively evaluate them, and distill them into a meaningful generative output that best represents that group. Luke will be talking later about joint work where we build on Polis's definition of best through bridging systems. But another collaboration has been exploring how language models can improve distillation. We can use language models to efficiently approximate everyone talking to everyone else, no matter how many people are involved. Nuance at scale. Lots of dragons, dangers, risks here, but something to think about. And going back to that essence, collective response systems support properties which are different from many existing decision-making processes. They're also different from current politics, markets, social media. So putting that all together, we can get the complete criteria for these types of systems. And we can iterate or chain them, chain these processes for collective deliberation. But that said, they're not a panacea, right? They're part of a spectrum of decision-making and attention allocation approaches, from assemblies on one end to engagement signals on the other. And deep in-person human interaction also matters. So we need to improve the design of these systems, get them used by more organizations around the world at every scale. I'm personally particularly focused on powerful technology companies and AI labs, but we need these at every level of society. There's incredible untapped potential here. Lots of work, many disciplines, many risks and challenges. You can email me to get the complete draft of the paper this is about, and the link will be on my website when it's published. This is all just one piece of a much bigger vision and direction. Like, one part of that work is helping powerful tech companies use every level of these deliberations, from citizen assemblies to these faster and more efficient generative CI models, as a valuable complement. There is so much work to do, and I'm excited to continue that work with all of you.
Thank you, Aviv.